Sis, hear me out. I think I have cracked the code to hair growth. Almost 2 years ago, this was my hair, damaged, dry, thin, and very short. I have went through a major hair loss that result in me cutting my hair off and start over my healthy hair growth journey to waist length. And now this is my hair after almost 2 years of working very hard to repair and restore my dry, damaged hair, and most importantly, regrowing my hair fast. I have created the perfect routine that will guarantee help you to grow your hair fast if you're on a hair care journey like me and want to grow your hair fast. Continue watching.
Sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good.
Hey sis, welcome back and welcome to my new peeps. I'm Tamara and we're on a healthy hair growth journey to waist length. Feel free to like this video, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you. Let's jump right in today's video. So in today's video, we are making a very effective DIY hair treatment. If you have been following my hair journey, you know what's up and how great this treatment is. I haven't done this treatment in a minute, guys, and my hair desperately needs it. So to know how to measure the ingredients, depending on how long and thick your hair is, you can determine the amount of treatment you need. For my hair, I need 2 eggs, 2 to 3 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. So if your hair is longer than mine, you need a little more treatment. And if it's shorter, you need less ingredients. So I'm going to use some black seed oil. I've never used honey in my hair, but guys, my hair definitely needs some more moisture because I'm currently dealing with 2 different texture in the sense that my hair is currently under process. And so I'm experiencing a lot more breakage, my hair is easier to break and shed. So I need a lot more moisture. So my hair definitely need this treatment. I'm using some tea tree essential oils as well as some peppermint essential oils. And this is coconut oil. I'm going to put it in this little container and warm it up. About 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil. As I said, depending on the amount of hair you have. If you have longer hair, use more. If you have shorter hair, use more. You can also use any carrier oil of your choice or essential oil of your choice. But today I'm using black seed oil, coconut oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. All the ingredients and measurements will be in my description box below. And if I can find the link for the ingredients on Amazon, I will add those as well, guys. What I did, I put the coconut oil in the microwave for 30 seconds. And now that my coconut oil is melted, I'm going to add the coconut oil to my potion and blend everything together. There is no reason you can't make this treatment at home, guys. Just make sure you have egg, mayonnaise. You don't even have to have the honey, but put the honey, coconut oil, and any other essential oils or carrier oil of your choice. And bam, you got this amazing treatment. So just in case you're wondering what benefit this treatment have for your hair, let's break it down. First of all, the egg. The egg have many benefits for your hair. Using egg on your hair have so much good benefits. It's full of nutrients. It helps to strengthen the hair, moisturize the hair, and grow the hair. The protein in the eggs help to strengthen the hair strands, making them less likely to break or split. Protein also helps strengthen the hair cuticles, which can make hair appear shinier. Honey is one of the most natural ingredients you can use to condition your hair. Honey keeps your hair moisturized, reduce breakage, add shine, help with scalp issues, soften the hair, help with dandruff and itchy scalp. So if your hair is very dry, definitely consider using a product containing honey. So that's why I'm making the treatment with some honey this time because my hair definitely really needs it. Mayo as well has a lot of benefits for our hair. It keeps our hair moisturized. It also helps to strengthen the hair as well as reducing frizz, reducing dandruff, promote shine, and promote healthy hair growth. So if your hair is dry, damaged, and very much in need of some TLC, definitely give this treatment a try. Okay guys, so now that our magic potion is ready, we're going to go ahead and apply it to our hair. I just took down my 3-week-old cornrow, and guys, I'm telling you, my hair definitely needs some TLC. Listen, I love to use protective style as a way of stretching my relaxer. I'm currently, I think, like 2 months post relaxer. So my hair has been in this carno for 3 weeks, and now I need to take it down, wash my hair. But before I wash my hair, because it's been in carno for 3 weeks and I haven't done a DIY treatment for so long, and as I told you guys, I haven't done it for a minute, and my hair definitely needs it because I realize after taking down my cornrows, I have experienced a lot more shedding and some breakage, which I know why, because currently my hair is on the process, very much badly on the process, and I have to be dealing with the two different texture going down the length of my hair. So the top will be straight, the middle will be under process, then the other end will be processed, and then below will be under process, then process and under process. That's how my hair is at currently. So my hair definitely need a lot more moisture because I find out it's getting dry easier. So I need to make sure you do this treatment to strengthen my hair, moisturize my hair, just give my hair some TLC to get it back to a strong state of mind. So what I did, I part my hair and detangle. Make sure you detangle before applying the treatment. I did not wet my hair. I always apply it to dry hair. But someone said to me before that I should spray my hair, kind of damp it first before applying the treatment, and the treatment will go even a longer way, which was a good idea. So what I did, I detangled my hair, then I applied the treatment. Make sure you get the roots, get the scalp, make sure it's on the scalp, on the length of the hair, part through your hair. Make sure every single strand get the treatment, because we don't want to treat our hair but some strand did not get any TLC. We want our entire head to cover in this magic potion. I'm telling you guys, you're going to use this treatment and you're going to realize after you finish your wash day routine, your hair look fuller, shinier, healthier, and feel and look stronger. When applying the treatment, make sure you focus on the ends. The ends are the oldest part of our hair, so of course it's the weakest part. So it needs more TLC than the root actually do. So make sure when you're applying your treatment, you're focusing on the ends as well. Put extra treatment on the ends. And what I like to do is massage it into my scalp to make sure all the strands get treatment. So I massage it in and then I just wrap it up, put it away, and put a shower cap on. If you have any treatment left, make sure the edges, make sure you go over, make sure the edges are covered with the treatment. You don't leave out any single strand. And the fact that you moisturize your scalp also helps to spread the treatment onto your entire head. So make sure you massage the treatment into your hair. Okay, so now that your entire head is covered with the treatment, you want to make sure you use a shower cap or plastic bag, whatever you have. I use 2 shower cap to help lock in the heat. The heat is what's going to help to penetrate the hair strand to get the treatment into the hair so you can get the best out of the treatment. So you're going to let this sit on your hair for 30 to 40 minutes to up to an hour. And after 1 hour, just follow up with your regular shampoo routine. Guys, after the 1 hour with the treatment in my hair, I went ahead and do my regular shampoo routine. Shampoo, use a moisturizing shampoo as well, and shampoo your hair at least 3 times. And then I deep condition my hair and let that sit on my hair for like 20 minutes, deep conditioner, and I blow dry my hair. So this is my hair now. I'm now adding my all natural hair growth oil. I always oil my hair with an all natural hair growth oil. So if you're not oiling your hair, your scalp with all natural hair growth oil, you are doing something wrong. This is the other step you cannot skip. You have to make sure you oil your scalp with an all natural hair growth oil at least 3 times a week to keep your scalp moisturized. And this is going to help to promote healthy hair growth, thicken your hair strands, help with dandruff and itchy scalp, help with any scalp issue you may have. This is my aloe vera and rosemary hair growth oil, 100% all natural, and I have been using this oil from day one. When my hair was damaged and I had to cut my hair off, this is the oil, this is the product that grow my hair back super fast, and the treatment helps to retain the length. Because I have been using this growth oil consistently for almost 2 years, my hair grew a lot faster, guys. And my hair is thicker and I experience no dandruff or itchy scalp. I always massage my scalp after applying the oil. This helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp. So if you're not massaging your scalp, guys, you should start now. It's also very relaxing. So now that my hair is straight, it's washed, the scalp is oil, the length of my hair is moisturized. This is the end result, guys. Look how shiny, look how soft, look how thick and long and manageable my hair is. This is what you get when you do the good treatment and use an all natural hair growth oil to make sure your hair stay healthy and strong. If you want to try out my hair growth oil that I make personally, the link will be in my description box below. So this is the end of my video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. I love you guys so much. Please leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more video. Bye.